Hello, Team Fairfax, and welcome to our virtual Cardinal Connection Assembly celebrating your December iReady achievements. I know all of you have been working hard to show us what you know on your mid-year iReady diagnostics. And because of that, I didn't want to take time out of your morning to meet all together for this assembly. That's why it's virtual today. Thinking back on December, we only had 2.5 weeks of school. Therefore, I thought 8 lessons passed was too many because we were out for the holiday. So this month, I was only looking for 8 lessons passed and a 75 passage rate on average. Let's take a look at our iReady Reading Rock Stars. Starting off with Mrs. Marconi's class, Quinn Kaludican, Elena Dietrich, Nicholas Maros, Lucas Rykorsowitz, and Maggie Wersing. From Mrs. Shuta's class, Colton Barber, Skylar Beavis, Ryan Buckholtz, Jackson Byram, Alyssa Dengus, Grayson Krofchuk, Kalia Love, Alexis Mansell, Ashton Nelson, Clara Niemi, Harlan O'Loughlin, Evan Platts, Victor Polito, Travis Rexedler, Taylor Rubino, Brianna Valentini, Lainey Walters, and Riley Wargo. From Mrs. Bakula's class, Ava Ahmed, Antonio Arcos, Emery Black, Lincoln Fulmer, Delia Greger, Connor Horrigan, Grace Jankowski, Jaron Johnson, Everett Maddie, Carter McQuillan, Watson Miller, Madeline Mulder, Sophia Pate, Carson Power, Avery Plavney, Riley Rohaley, Nicholas Rykorsowitz, Jace Sheets, Capri Spizak, Lennon Vukic, Isaac Wagner, Tessa Warren, and Max Yoke. From Mrs. Berger's class, Callan Ayamoba, Madeline Barton, Lorenzo Bolog, Aria Fuchs, Larissa Kremenevsky, Gerlove Mundy, Emma Owen, Olivia Parcell, Giada Pierce, Josie Plavney, Tommy Raglow, Joseph Rigby, Jackson Simsick, Lucas Sternisa, Wesley Trask, Finley Vukic, and Ben Young. From Mrs. Dennison's class, Finn Callahan, Landon Faison, Brooklyn Fielder, Tyler Griffith, Lily Jellick, Derek Carbon, Garrett Lahuda, Lily Looney, Abby Makar, Gwen Mansell, Chase Melton, Maya Neal, Killian O'Neill Huntington, Tiffany Parker, Ava Spiker, Will Spivak, and Connor Walters. From Miss Kiesel's class, Charlie Batistic, James Behan, Brian Carlson, Billy Covert, Brady Dietrich, Matea Damazet, Cadence Lindsay, Akram Manawar, Trinity Niewiadomski, Sammy Overton, Lucas Pollock, Emma Shelley, Joseph Vokic, and Amelia Williams. From Mrs. Ward's class, Lorena Bajak, Matea Bajak, Aaliyah Bogle, Austin Duraney, Lily Fink, Rami Layton, Riker Marzik, Elizabeth McCarthy, Madison Millard, James Niewiadomski, Preston Parker, Asher Polito, and Brody Pollock. I am so proud of all of your hard work and growth, iReady Reading Rockstars. Keep it up. And if your name wasn't read this month, I hope that I get to read your name for your hard work this month in January. Let's move on to our iReady mathematicians. From Mrs. Marconi's class, Grayson Byram, Jackson Dean, Avery Evans, Daniel Kremenevsky, Nicholas Maros, Matthew Overton, Addie Ringler, Lucas Rykorsowitz, Adam Veazey. From Mrs. Shuta's class, Colton Barber, Skylar Beavis, Ryan Buckholtz, Grayson Krofchak, Alexis Mansell, Ashton Nelson, Victor Polito, Travis Rexedler, Taylor Rubino, Brianna Valentini, and Lainey Walters. From Mrs. Bakula's class, Ava Ahmed, Antonio Arcos, Emery Black, Anthony Blazak, Lincoln Fulmer, Delia Greger, Connor Horrigan, Grace Jankowski, Jaron Johnson, Carter McQuillan, Watson Miller, Madeline Mulder, Sophia Pate, Carson Power, Avery Plavney, Riley Rohaley, Nicholas Rykorsowitz, Capri Spizak, Lennon Vukic, Isaac Wagner, Tessa Warren, and Max Yoke. From Mrs. Berger's class, Kalani Amoba, Madeline Barton, Mason Bika, Lorenzo Bolog, Aria Fuchs, Larissa Kremenevsky, George Mano, Gurlove Mundy, Emma Owen, Olivia Parcell, Giada Pierce, Joseph Rigby, Jackson Simsick, Callie Singleton, Lucas Sternisa, Wesley Trask, Finley Vukic, and Ben Young. From Mrs. Dennison's class, Finn Callahan, Tyson Carter, Lucas Davis, Landon Faison, Brooklyn Fielder, Tyler Griffith, Lily Jellick, Derek Carbon, Garrett Lahuda, Lily Looney, Abby Makar, Gwen Mansell, Chase Melton, Killian O'Neill Huntington, Tiffany Parker, Ava Sebring, Connor Walters, and from Miss Kiesel's class, Charlie Batistic, James Behan, Brian Carlson, Billy Covert, Brady Dietrich, Matea Damazet, Cadence Lindsay, Eleanor Lynch, Nolan Maston, Trinity Niewadomski, Sammy Overton, Lucas Pollock, Emma Shelley, Blake Tay, Joseph Vokic, and Amelia Williams. And for Mrs. Ward's class, Lorena Bajak, Matea Bajak, Aaliyah Bogle, Austin Duraney, Lily Fink, Adam Grady, Josie Manarino, Riker Marzik, James Niewadomski, Preston Parker, Asher Polito, Brody Pollock, Owen Sedmak, Luca Tunjic, and Abigail Wood. Phenomenal job to all of our iReady mathematicians. I appreciate all of your hard work and dedication in getting your lessons passed. Friday marks the end of the first half of the year. Can you even believe it? You have all been working so hard, and I thought I would recognize those of you who have the highest total number of lessons in each one of your classrooms. I added up your reading lessons and your math lessons to get the winner for each classroom. This person is going to receive a Raising Cane's Way to Go Achievement Award, which they can take to the restaurant to get a free kids combo. Congratulations to Nicholas Maros, who passed 187 lessons. Victor Polito, who had 169 lessons passed. Isaac Wagner, who passed 146 lessons. Aria Fuchs, with 142 lessons passed. Derek Carbon, who passed 134 lessons. Joseph Vokic, who passed 156 lessons. And Lily Fink, who had 154 lessons passed. Wowzer, that is unreal and so impressive. I hope you enjoy your special treat. Before I send you off today, I just want to remind you, we are all cards at Fairfax Elementary. I am a part of a community. I have a positive attitude. I am responsible. I am diligent, and I am safe. Make it a great day, Team Fairfax. The choice is yours.